Do you know that one of Donald Trump's daughter married a Nigerian who is based in Nigeria here? Do you believe that? Do you believe that? This particular guy that he married grew up in Nigeria. His primary school, his secondary school, right here in Nigeria and here in Lagos. And they live in Ikoyi. They have house in Ikoyi and house in Victoria Island. They live here in Nigeria. Can you imagine that? This daughter, this Donald Trump daughter, is one of the daughter that Donald Trump loves so much. The name of this particular daughter, let me tell you, is Tiffany Trump. You can actually Google this lady. He left all the men and married somebody that was raised here in Nigeria. That did his primary school, his secondary school right here in Nigeria. But relax, stay till the end of this video. Let me tell you the gist and give you the full information. I want to tell you this so that you can know that a lot of good things is happening in Nigeria, but just that people don't publish it and not look like it's only bad thing that is happening in Nigeria here. But I will start from the grandfather to give you the roots of how all this thing started. In 1933, the grandfather of this boy, his name is Michael. The grandfather happened to be a Lebanon. He came to Nigeria as a poor man. And the name of the grandfather is George Balu. That's the name of this grandfather from Lebanon. He came all the way to Nigeria. And when he came here, he now established a jewelry business right here in Nigeria. And he started building the foundation. And because of it, the grandfather is actually an entrepreneur. And because of Nigeria is still happened to be a good favorable soil for him, he was able to flourish and build a strong legacy. And you know what happened? The father of this guy, Michael Bolu, who happened to be the husband of this Donald Trump daughter, then now continue the business right here in Nigeria. And they are still in Nigeria. I'm not telling you that if they travel back, they are still in Nigeria. In short, all the family of this boy, all of them, they are in Nigeria. I was surprised. In short, one of the brother and even one of the sister happened to be a popular comedian right here in Nigeria. I will show you all those things. Just stay till the end of this video. Let me tell you one thing which you don't know, or which you are ignoring. I will tell you every single thing. The father of this guy that married Donald Trump's daughter, mind you, this guy, his name is Michael Bolu. Then his father decided to continue the legacy of his own father. Then they are the first family to start the first motorcycle assembling plant right here in Nigeria, and they were the major player, and they were the first to start distributing Suzuki motorcycle. They were the first to start distributing Suzuki. No, there were times that Suzuki was very popular. Suzuki motorcycle was very popular. They were the first. And they also went into construction equipment and a lot of things. This particular family happened to be a very popular family. I will put the picture of this guy, this Michael Bulu, on the screen. I will put his Instagram for you to see. Then the question is, who is this Michael Bulu? I will let you know. Just relax. That went to go and marry the president's daughter. That is Donald Trump's daughter. Who is he? This guy was born in 1997. And do you know what? His primary school was here in Lagos. His primary school was here in Lagos. His secondary school was here in Lagos. Although he attended American International School right here in Lagos, and which is located around Victoria Island, which is where the family have house in Victoria Island, and they also have house in Ikoyi. That is where he grew up. Then it was after his secondary school, he now traveled abroad. But let me even tell you about his brother. His brother happened to be one of the popular comedian, which you always see, skit maker. And this guy, his name is Fe Bolu, but he's popularly known as Oyibo Rebel.
My name na Superman, but now they call me Sakpaman.
So wetin carry you come Nigeria?
My brother, no condition dey permanent. anything wey they do, make you do am well. So e don tey wey I dey hear about Nigerian jollof. I say make I fly contestant for myself.
This Nigeria where they come. This Nigeria where they come.
As una kuku see o, dem warn me. Ajá tó máa sọnù, onígbọ́fẹ̀rẹ̀ ọlọ́dẹ. That is to say, dog wey go lost no go hear referee final whistle. Na so dem catch me o. Use me do business. These people use me take picture collect money, but that one no pay me o. Na my fight with Abija Warabieku. Government talk say make I pay for damages because we can't scatter everywhere. The problem so big so tey people start to dey insult me, curse me for news.
Superman, you destroyed my only car. I couldn't go to work. I lost my job because of you. Can you imagine Superman and Konabija fighting? Superman carrying my whole car, Lexus 3X3 in 2020. And stole my job. Now I don't have any job anymore. Superman, I have one word for you. You don't buy a car. You don't use a Oko. Are you killing your life? Oh, thank you.
Now your papa no fit buy car. My people, after all this insult, I still dey look for money o. I carry pompom from Mushin. I hawk for streets. I push that truck wey they dey use carry dustbin. I even drive Uber. My people, this life no balance. I still dey look for money. You fit help me? Dem talk say pikin wey dey cry na him dey breastfeed.
I know you must have seen this particular guy. So that is the brother, and that is not all. This particular Michael too also owns also a sister too. He's also a comedian too. Let me also play the sister video. One of the videos that the sister was speaking pidgin English.
No, because it be like say you people they mad, they crazy for your head. Is that not what I said? Is that not what I said? I said I'm white, I'm French, Lebanese, but they raised me in Ajasis IP King. I cannot be from somewhere again. If they raise you somewhere, every time you ask somebody for this America, even Nigerians, you ask them, where are you from? They will tell you Houston, Texas, because they raised them in Houston. So me that I was raised in Lagos, I cannot say I'm from Nigeria again. Is a problem.
So with this now, you know that this guy is actually Nigerian. You heard what the sister was saying, that how can they raise them right here in Nigeria and they cannot claim that he's a Nigerian. He's actually a Nigerian because from primary school to secondary school right here in Nigeria. Then Michael, later the husband to Donald Trump's daughter, later went to London to go and do his first degree, and later went to go and do his master's. He did all that in London. Then after that, he came back here to now continue his father's business. Currently, he's a director in his father's business, and he always make sure that the father business grew beyond Nigeria and the rest. So that is it. Can you see that? Can you see that? How did they meet this lady Stephanie? It was in 2018 when he went for holiday. Then he now met the president's daughter, and that was in Greece. He met the president's daughter then. That was in Greece, and that was how everything all started. So let me also let you know this too. Then they actually wedded in Florida, and that has been, from there it has been wonderful. And I will show you a picture of them when they attended, or they went to go and see one of the popular pastor right here in Lagos called Pastor Paul Adefarasi. That is the church they usually attend whenever they're in Nigeria. Although, because of Donald Trump now is the current president of US, for security purpose, the daughter might not be able to come freely the way he usually comes to Nigeria and go back. But you can see that this particular guy, Michael Bulu, grew up in Nigeria, primary school, secondary school. In short, he has so many Nigerian friends because he grew up here. The son of the current president, Sheyi is actually his friend, and he has a lot of Nigerian friend because he grew up here, even though he's from Lebanon. But all the family wealth, it was in Nigeria here that the family grew up and make all the millions. The father, the business is still running till now, and Michael happened to be one of the person that is in charge to control all the business. He's the director in the business. Why am I telling you this story? How does this relate to real estate? I will let you know. There are a lot of opportunity in real estate, and imagine foreigner coming to Nigeria to take possession and establish business, and you are in diaspora, you are saying Nigeria is bad. No, you need to take advantage of what is happening in Nigeria and be among those to take the good of the land. You have to take action. Listen to me. Let me round it up this way. If the president of the United States allow his daughter to marry somebody that grew up in Nigeria, that's from secondary school in Nigeria, and even till now, this family, they are still one of the billionaires which Nigerians have made. Nigerians actually made them billionaires, and they are still in the business, having different kind of business. And you out there, you are saying Nigeria is bad. You have to think again. Listen to me. I would strongly recommend that if you are in Nigerian diaspora and you're not invested in Nigeria, you need to start investing now. My name is Dennis Isong. Call the number on the screen. Let's help you to invest right. Bye.